Ladies and gentlemen, the legend is back, meaner, sharper, and more thrilling than ever before. The 2026 BMW M4 GTR has arrived, and it's not just an evolution, it's a revolution on wheels. This isn't just another M car, it's a bold, aggressive beast sculpted with precision, purpose, and pure adrenaline in mind. With a completely redesigned body that screams performance, the new M4 GTR blends motorsport heritage with futuristic style. Wider fenders, aerodynamic carbon fiber elements, and that massive rear wing not only turn heads, they serve a purpose. Everything here is functional, from the sculpted hood vents to the aggressively chiseled front splitter. It's the kind of car you don't just drive, you command it. Under the hood, the 2026 M4 GTR houses an upgraded 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six engine, now pushing out a jaw-dropping 585 horsepower. That's right, BMW has dialed everything up, delivering explosive acceleration and a spine-tingling exhaust note that'll send chills down your spine. Paired with an 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission and rear-wheel drive for that pure, connected feel, the M4 GTR rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.1 seconds. But it's not just about straight-line speed. Oh no. With reworked adaptive M suspension, a lower center of gravity, and precise electronic differential tuning, this car handles like it's on rails. Take it to the track or carve through a mountain pass. It grips, it bites, and it thrills every step of the way. Inside, it's a beautiful contrast of race-inspired focus and high-end luxury. BMW didn't hold back. Carbon bucket seats, Alcantara-wrapped surfaces, and bespoke GTR touches give the cabin a motorsport edge. But look closer, and the refinement shines through. Ambient lighting, premium Harman Kardon, audio, and dual digital displays merge cutting-edge tech with everyday comfort. The 14.9-inch curved infotainment screen runs BMW's latest iDrive 9 system, sleek, intuitive, and packed with features. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, AI-based driving assistant, and over-the-air updates make it one of the smartest coupes on the road today. What truly sets the 2026 M4 GTR apart is the feeling it gives you, the raw connection between driver and machine, the aggressive design that reflects its power, and the groundbreaking tech that enhances the experience without ever getting in the way. This is a car that doesn't just perform, it provokes, it excites, and it leaves an unforgettable impression every time you hit the throttle.